Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Andri Tanuarta. I am the student of Civil Engineering Program, Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. Did you know that Eiffel Tower is the world's most famous monument? Now, my purpose today is to explain you more about this building. To start with, I will give you an overview of the Eiffel Tower. Then I will explain the vision of construction, the repainting every 7 years. After that, I will show you the magic of light. Finally, finally, I will tell you the Eiffel Tower, which was made using iron. I will be happy to answer your question after my presentation. Eiffel Tower. The tower is the world's most famous monument. Let's begin by Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the world's most famous monument, attracting close to 7 million tourists per year. Act, acting 14 years, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest building global. It was designed by renowned artist Gustavo Eiffel for the 1819 World Trade Fair. Up, up to that, it is a global cultural icon. Construction of the Eiffel Tower. 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. Now, now we will move on to construction of the Eiffel Tower. It was of the 1886 Exposition Universal. The date, that marked the date that marked the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. That a great competition was launched in 1886. The fish digging work started on the 26th January 1887. On the 31 March 1889, the tower had been finished in record time, 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days, and was estab- established as a veritable technical feat. The Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower is made in Iran. The Eiffel Tower was made using iron. That is when it is made. The Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is often thought to be made of steel. but in fact the material used to make the Eiffel Tower is made of iron. The iron frame that from the structure of the tower comes from pumpy asphalt. Meanwhile, the iron plates and beams used are the result of the parting process and then assembled at the Eiffel factory in Levallois Perret using rivet. The pieces of iron were insulated to build the Eiffel Tower. The prefabrication system allowed them to build the Eiffel Tower in a short time, namely 2 years to 5 days. The magic of light. The tower also represents the magic of light. We have we have looked at the magic of light, like all tower. It are it allow used to see and to be seen with a spectacular ascent, a unique panoramic view of Paris, and a glittering beacon in the skies of the capital. The tower also represented represent the magic of light is like is sparkling light and its beacon shine and inspire dream every day inspire dreams every evening. The Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years from the original reddish brown set to brick yellow. The next Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years. Under Gustav Eiffel strict instruction, the Eiffel Tower must be repainted with a thick layer of protective paint every 7 years in order to protect the iron from the corrosive effect of the weather. The Parisian government have stuck to this condition over the past century, which is one of the reasons why it still appears in such pristine condition today. Over the years, the tower has been painted various different colors, from the original reddish brown shade to brick yellow. In 1968, a special mix paint set scaled Eiffel Tower brown was adopted wi- was adopted by the French, which is still in use today. The tower at the center of event. Let me turn now to the tower at the center of event like so. The year 2000 pyrotechnic show. The blue tower to mark French president of the European Union are the multicolored tower for its 120 birthday. Like a tower is allowed used to see and to begin with a spectacular action, a unique panoramic view of Paris, and a glittering beacon in the skies of the capital. The tower also represented represent the magic of life is like is sparkling light and is beacon sun and inspire dream every evening. The conclusion Eiff- Eiffel Tower was the tallest building global construction 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days, and was established as a veritable technical feat. The Eiffel Tower is made iron. The magic of light. The Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years. The last are Eiffel Tower have some fun fact. The fish, the secret apartment. When engineer Gustav Eiffel was designed the tower, he created a private apartment at the top of the tower. The second, at the time of exhibiting French industry at the World Fair, there would be planned to tear it down at a later date, but the intention to tear it down after 20 years of standing firm because the Eiffel instead radio antennas and wireless telegraph transmitter on the tower. Then a secret bunker under the tower, certain pillar reported connected to the École Militaire, a building complex in Paris that hosts various military training facilities via a long tani via a, via a long tunnel to you know the Eiffel Tower with one yellow. Actually, the Eiffel Tower with yellow to follow the trend and then finally change to a color brown. And the Eiffel Tower is now to have a meteorological laboratory on the third floor. This place is used for studying because aerodynamic and building wind tunnel. And this is the reference in is the reference we talk in making this presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given you s- I hope this presentation has given you new insight on the topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.